Hey friends, if you wish to fix load library failed with error code 87, the parameter is incorrect on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. So you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update the drivers. If this helps, well and good. If not, straight away perform an SFC scan. Why? Because load library basically is a DLL file. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Lastly, you can reinstall or repair Microsoft C++ redistributable. So here's what we will do. Simply search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Go to the package here. Okay. And then you can scroll down to x64 and then click on open here. Okay. Then click on repair, or if it is not installed, then you can install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.